Hi everyone, Sister Colton here. This coming week it's lesson 9 and it's on work. And so I just wanted to show you the application activity, and I also want to show you a feature on iLearn that you may not know existed. So here we have our application activity. In this week, depending on your level of comfort with technology, you have 3 choices to choose from. And the overall objective is to have you write about a circumstance or a time in your life when you had benefits from hard work and what blessings you had from it, what work it was you completed. And so we want you to share that story either through writing a 2-page paper, and make sure, like it says here, that it's double-spaced at least 2 pages. So 2 pages or more, 12-point font. Another option would be to have a PowerPoint presentation, and it needs to have at least 5 slides, and it tells you the different things it would like you to include in those slides. The last option is doing a video. Join me in doing videos. It's a lot of fun. I actually have gotten to really like it. So it just has to be 2.5 minutes long and on YouTube. Post it onto YouTube and then send me the link so I can view that video. And one thing you need to make sure of is you look right here at kind of the rubric, how many points you're going to get for each area. So 12 points if it is sufficient description of the circumstances of when you had blessings from hard work. 4 points if it's engaging, and I can tell that there are details, descriptions used in there, and then have an appropriate length, get you the 4 points. So use that rubric when I'm grading. The last thing I wanted to show you is a tool on here called the WhatIf Calculator. With the end of the semester just about a month away, I wanted to show you what you could do to start looking at your grade and seeing what you need to do to make sure you get the grade that you like in this class. So if you come up here, and when you click on Course Menu, I'm in here as a, let's see, a test student. So come to Grades under the course menu, click there. I'm going to spin for a second. Let's see if it's going to like it. Okay. When I'm here, up in this upper right corner, you have this little calculator icon. It's the WhatIf Calculator when you hover over it. So I'm going to click there. And then see, this is, since I'm just a test student, hopefully you don't have 0% like I do, but you'll see these boxes for the assignments that haven't been done yet. And you can look ahead and, if I had thought, okay, I think I'll get 100% out of that one. And so you go through and enter, if you know, okay, I know there's, let's see, a discussion board. Let's see if I get 100% on the rest of my discussion boards, what that would do to my grade. Anyway, you go through and fill in the assignments that are upcoming, what score you would get possibly there. Maybe you know that unavoidable circumstances you're going to have to miss one of your gatherings. Maybe you put 0% there just to see what it's going to do to your grade once all the other things are in there. Then once you've done that, you come down here. Move it so I can see it. Oh, it's not. And there's something that says recalculate. It's hard because I hope my video is not over the recalculate button. It looks like it might be. So at the very bottom, there's this little button that says recalculate. So I would click there. Let's see if I don't know if it's working because I'm over my video. It's not going to do it for me. Let me try moving this. Just move the whole thing for a second. Sorry. Hopefully you can still see some of it. So once I recalculate, okay, put it back in view, and then come up and it will show me what my projected score is now. So now I have 48 points. So you can see what percent you would potentially get in this hypothetical situation if I were to get these different scores on these various assignments that are still upcoming. So I hope you take the time to maybe do this with us still having a few more weeks left to see, okay, what do I need to do to make sure I get that grade I want? And let me know if you have any questions about this. I'd love to help you look at it further or answer any questions you have up to this point with your assignments. I want you to get out of this class what you think you've worked hard to deserve. And so I would like to work together. So I hope you guys have a great week this week and keep doing great things. I love reading the discussion boards and reading your assignments that you turn in to me. It really strengthens me, and I thank you for that. So here's to another great week, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.